So today is Wednesday, and this is our first day for this week kasi 2 days kami walang pasok, which is Monday to Tuesday. And yan ulit kami papasok. Hinamit kasi yung room namin for students, grade 10 students na nag-take ng NCAE. And yeah. See you later or tomorrow. Hey guys, today is Thursday, and yeah, it's another week for us, and it's now our supposedly it's now our 14th day, but wala kasing pasok nung dalawang araw, so naging 12th day lang namin yun. So hindi na ako nakapag-update after class kasi sobrang napagod na ako kahapon. Hindi ko alam, siguro hindi na rin ulit na sana yung katawan ko kasi dalawang araw lang pasok and modular lang, and yung teachers naman is hindi yung nagbigay ng activities for modular class, so baka hindi yun na sana yung katawan ko ulit. So napagod ako kahapon, and nagutom talaga ako kahapon. Ang dami kong kinain, and yeah. see you guys later or tomorrow. Bye. Hi everyone. Today is Friday. And now I'm just going to do some random I'm going to do the activities that we need to pass later. I don't have good sleep because kumuha ako ng PPT kagabi and tumagal ako sa pagpili ng template. Hindi ko rin sure talaga kung maganda rin yung quality ng PPT, pero yun. I'm just going to list down the activities that I'm going to pass later or next week. Also going to check the PPT that kasi meron pala hindi na-highlight na terms. Ganun. So yun, I'm done with my activity for EAPP. So yeah, I thought hindi ko siya matatapos, pero tapos ko naman siya. So at least that's a good sign. At least we don't have to think much more. At least natapos ako. Just going to prepare my things for later kasi naayos yung gamit ko since hindi naman ako dito natulog sa bahay. Since this video is very long na, I'll cut this na and then I'll just see you guys after ko mag-get ready ako. Yun na lang ulit. And let's try ulit siguro na mag-film sa school, pero never ko naman nagagawa yun. So kung ano na mangyayari later. Bahala na. So yan, I'll see you guys later. So yeah. And yes, I'm back. And yeah. Wala lang. Mag-get ready na ulit tayo since nasabi ko na rin naman na today is Friday and it's our ano na ngayon? 14th day? 13th day. 13th day pa lang. 13th day pa lang natin ngayon. Namin pala ngayon. And yeah. Your 13th day. And I feel so tired na. Ewan ko na nangyayari sa life. But yeah, it feels so tiring. And let's just hope for the best. Kasi sana yung lahat ng pagod na naranasan namin this week. This week is mag-pay off for magandang presentation, mataas na grades, and yes, that's all.